So my name is Alicia and I've been coming here since 2021. I was having headaches that would turn into migraines for the longest time. I think it was about 2 months, and I had already been to the doctor, and it was causing problems with sleep. I was hardly getting any sleep, so then when I would wake up in the morning completely foggy, not ready for the day at all. And then eventually I was told about this place. So then I decided I needed to give it a try because I had no other choice. So I had been to a neurologist and they had done tests on me. They didn't see any tumors or anything else that can be really dangerous. So I said, okay, that's good. They did give me an injection monthly. It is Emgality and it does help with migraines. At the time I was also going to physical therapy. I was going to Health Fit in Pasadena. The doctor that I was going to, Dr. Daphne, was the one that actually told me a location that really helps. I was really nervous at first because I don't normally pay out of pocket for things, but I said if it's really worth it and I need to get rid of these migraines, then let me just go through it. I wanted to kind of find like the root of the problem and try and fix it there. I started going to Atlas and then they started working on me, and that's when I realized that a lot of the problems were in the back of my head. When I came here, they explained everything to me. So it's kind of like I knew what was going on with my body because they take you through it. They don't just say, all right, we're gonna figure it out and then do it on their own and then don't tell what's going on. They actually tell you what they're doing, so then you kind of understand what the problem is. I always end up feeling a little bit like sleepy, like I want to go to sleep. And it's basically that I need like one day to kind of help my body adjust. And then after that, I'm able to walk straighter, feel better, and a lot of the pain has just gone down. So before, I dreaded going to work because it's a lot on my back, what I do. It's a lot on my neck. And now I'm able to go to work and feel a little bit more confident. And like if it gets really bad where I start getting a headache that leads to a migraine, I would have to tell them, so sorry, like I started cutting my hours back before. Now I'm able to, work from like 8 to 6 p.m. and I don't have that worry. And if I ever do feel a little bit of a pain, then I know that I can just call Atlas and try and get an appointment. Sometimes you don't know which doctor to go to, but if I could tell people about my experience, I know that there's a big chance that they would already start looking into it. So I actually did tell my neurologist about it when he did ask about my care, and he ended up writing it down, making a little note, and said that he wanted to recommend that place to a lot of other of his patients because he says if it worked for you, it can work for them. So my name is Alicia, and I want to thank Atlas Brain and Spine for giving me back the quality of life.